like Raksha's really trying hard to control ये कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं बोलना है.
माइंड रीडिंग कौन से सेमेस्टर में आता है?
You both need a life then. But I don't know why.
Seriously
रुला दिया
seriously
मुझे.
speaking, on a dating profile, I can see.
Hi everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Desi Dialogues by your very own Desi psychologist Tara and Chetna, where we talk about the most raw, unfiltered, and unique conversations around mental health, psychology, therapy, and pop culture in India. And for this episode, we have two very special guests. We have Raksha here with us, and we have Arjun. So it'll be great to just know a little bit about you. I know, like most of people would know you, but for people who don't know you, yeah.
I'll go first.
Yes.
Okay. So, hi guys. My name is Raksha. I'm a clinical psychologist. You would know me as Cortical Connect, I think so, on Instagram. I am also a mentor to aspiring psychologists. But apart from that, I love trekking. I love to go to the mountains. I do a little dance every day in the morning. And I listen to cheesy Bollywood music. Love it.
Nice. Hi everyone, I'm Arjun. I'm a psychologist and I love learning about statistics and teaching about it. I'm a big football fan, Arsenal FC in particular. I'm a very grounded person. I don't like going to the mountains or the beaches. I just like where I am. I don't like going anywhere.
That was personal.
I don't like going anywhere at all.
We'll also get personal, guys. We will.
Okay, so for this episode, we are going to have a lot of conversations. Since we all have created content on a lot of topics similar to these, we are going to talk about the expectations of student, content creation, the academic and industry gap, as well as the uncertainties that lies ahead in the future of psychology, and a very interesting topic that is dating in the psychology industry and dating and being a psychologist. This is something that we really wanted to talk about. I recently we went to an event and there were a lot of students, masters, second year, and they're very apprehensive about what is going to happen next. क्योंकि खत्म हो रहा है, job मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, and this is something that me and Chetna also keep on discussing, that there's a lot of gap between like the academic and when they actually step into the industry. So we would love to hear your thoughts on the same.
Mhm.
See, there are a lot of uncertainties in general in the field. It starts from, I feel, even choosing the career in itself is where the uncertainty starts. So, with students, especially who are passing out of masters, I feel the uncertainty, the point of view has to change a little bit, where I do believe the jobs are there if they look for it. In a sense, like there's always this idea that okay, that you need to join a clinic, you need to join a hospital, you need to maybe work under someone. But after masters, that realization that has to set in from the university itself is that you are a professional after masters. Like that confidence, I feel somewhere is lacking, not because nothing to be done with students. I feel the way the subject is taught or the way the profession
treated, and also
and
like
treated,
how it's
yeah.
treated as well, because
Yeah.
I remember that psychology as a subject, if you see, it can be applied in any and every field.
Yes,
It's
absolutely.
open, it's human behavior. So I believe that whether it's organizations, whether it's hospitals or clinic, whether it's sports, whether it's fashion, whether it's journalism, marketing, social psychology, everything can
Digital
be applied.
health.
Yeah, digital health. Yeah, I think it can be applied in so many contexts. But ये वाली चीजें I don't think उस college environment में उतना ज़्यादा reinforce या introduce भी कराई जाती हैं.
I think to a degree बहुत uncertainty बच्चों को इसलिए भी लगती है because they don't know that this is a possibility that they can pursue. वो बहुत ही limited अपनी options रखते हैं
Exactly.
and क्योंकि options इतनी limited रखते हैं तो those are very oversaturated to a point कि there will always be a better option for the people who are giving the jobs. जैसे आपने mention किया there's UI UX जहाँ पे बहुत potential है, but a lot of students don't go there क्योंकि certainty नहीं है. Exactly पता नहीं है क्या होगा वहाँ पे जाके.
Certainty नहीं, guidance भी नहीं.
Guidance भी नहीं है.
But in this context, I feel अगर students pitch करें अपने आप को for any brand, like whether UI UX किसी graphic designing का brand हुआ या journalism industry का हो गया, sports में हो गया, they pitch themselves कि this is my skills, this is my area of expertise, and this is how I can help you increase either your presence or your brand or your services. I would be a good fit. I don't think any founder will say no to that.
I'll tell you this thing. We got a mail, very interesting mail. It was for a job of a graphic designer.
Okay.
He was an intern. He was a college student
Hmm.
who mailed us, and we were looking for GDs at that time. And he made a whole portfolio of memes why you should hire me.
Yeah.
Wow.
That
a
was
very
so
interesting-
creative.
But what do you think? What suggestions or what solutions do you believe as psychologists or as budding clinical psychologists as well that we can pose for students to sort of help them with their anxiety, the uncertainty?
See, first of all, I'll take the regulations part of it also.
Hmm.
I don't know why the profession is split. I don't understand the
It
reason
should be
behind it.
under.
Yeah, if the BPS has, like, the British Psychological Society is there, Canadian is there, Australian is there, American is there. I don't understand why the profession is split into, okay, clinicians go under RCI,
RCI, but
and then counseling goes
don't have-
under
And ministries इनकी
and-
अलग-अलग हैं.
हाँ, ministry-
RCI is under Ministry of Social
हाँ,
Justice,
social
not
service.
Ministry of
No,
Health.
health,
मतलब
which doesn't.
कैसे?
Yes, of course. I think
I mean, big
RCI
question.
under social justice makes sense.
But
Clinical
psychology
psychologists
under
under RCI
RCI
doesn't
is-
act as of now.
Hmm.
I'm sure they have their own explanations to it, as
वो
they
आते
do.
रहते
कुछ
हैं,
होगा।
As they
explanation
do.
Yeah.
But
every Monday
every
नया
Monday-
explanation आता है.
हाँ, every Monday I have to like refresh the RCI website. That is one. Secondly, having said that, I do think we are in a phase of a lot of changes, and painfully so. We will have to wait a good 4 to 5 years, and we will see that regulations that you were talking about, like having that strict regulation, because जैसे भी हो करने की कोशिश बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं with
I like
RCI.
Raksha's really trying hard to control कि कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं बोलना है.
यार मुझे वापस मुंह दिखाना है यार कॉन्फ्रेंस में.
No,
But that being said, like
but
they are trying.
these conversations are important
They
because
are
I think
important.
a lot of students, a lot of psychologists also watch these conversations. So even with the regulations, as you were saying, अब जैसे ये आई है for counseling psychology, but we still are not aware. Like I believe the government or the these bodies, they try. But again, जो आगे पीछे का explain करना होता है with respect
there's
to
nothing.
what consequences are there, because we get a lot of messages every day कि हमारा 3 साल का है but हमारे
हमारा
bridge
4
course
साल का है,
नहीं है.
bridge course नहीं है,
Hmm.
university. I also, on the follow up on this, I want to ask this to you, and I think you also get a lot of these. Raksha personally, क्योंकि मैं भी I look up to her profile as soon as a
RCI की.
new
हाँ.
notices
RCI.
RCI का कुछ आया तो
RCI
इसकी
का
प्रोफाइल पे
तो-
जाओ.
But I just want to know कि for a student like for me, like अब we are in MPhil, तो हमारा वो question mark हट गया कि क्या होगा, what will happen.
Yeah.
हाँ.
But
We
the
are still-
anxiety students go through every other month.
It's painful. I genuinely mean it. It is painful. There is no other way to put it. I cannot possibly imagine myself being in that
That's
place.
situation.
I would have changed my profession. I'm being very honest. I would have definitely taken like a MBA business.
आराम से.
I would have gone. Maths मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, कतई नहीं पसंद, but फिर भी मैं कर लेती, because dealing with the uncertainty that students are going through right now, it is बहुत ज़्यादा. But अगर तुमको साइकोलॉजिस्ट बनना है तो रुक जाओ यार, थोड़ा सा हो
What would you
जाएगा.
say? What would you say to students जो अभी मतलब masters खत्म कर रहे हैं, करने वाले हैं?
मास्टर्स खत्म कर रहे हो, don't wait for the RCI notification or anything like that. I feel just after masters, get the experience. I would also say that work because you want to learn and not because you want something to fill your CV.
That's why I think when we are talking to students, when we are also on our page, I think हम सब लोग ही ये try करते हैं. emphasize this कि skills is greater than those marks that you get.
Of course.
Because चाहे वो ethics हो, चाहे वो तुम्हारे research skills हो, चाहे वो तुम्हारे clinical and counseling skills हो, internships के through हो, training से through, अगर तुम ये भी एक outside area से कर रहे हो, even though I know it's not students' responsibility, people need resources at least. I remember I was in Christ, so उस टाइम पे ये वाली चीजें डेवलप हो रही थी, which I am very thankful for, कि एक डेटाबेस डेवलप था, even though मतलब डायरेक्टली वो नहीं थे, but universities having that direct connect with hospitals,
Yes.
clinics, and I believe कि clinical counseling के लिए तो चलो ठीक है, but what about OB? What about sports? What about forensics? अगर उनके साथ भी वो connect universities ही starting से करके रखे, तो student can go and learn the skills there.
परसों क्वेश्चन आया है, मैम व्हाट इज आरसीआई?
वही
हाउ
I
एम
was
आई
getting
सपोज्ड टू
into
आंसर
that.
इट?
People have dropped us a DM ki the most common DM, how to be a clinical psychologist.
Yeah.
How to, can I be a clinical psychologist after I do my masters?
चलेगा, मैं बैठ के उनको चाय पे समझा दूंगी. व्हाट इज आरसीआई? गूगल करो.
ये
I have
RCI
better-
तो
I have better.
I want to bring this up. Google
My-
करो.
Google करो.
I want to add, इससे भी worse, माइंड रीडिंग कौन से सेमेस्टर में आता है?
crystal healing, you forgot that.
वो अभी तक क्वेश्चन नहीं आया मेरे को. माइंड रीडिंग हम कब पढ़ेंगे? मेरे को तो मैं तो उसका वेट कर रहा हूँ. मास्टर्स
You
में
actually
पढ़ाते.
got this?
Yeah.
भाई,
She's like, हो सकता है.
हो सकता
अब
है.
आजकल क्या हो रहा है मुझे
people
नहीं
teach
पता.
like reiki and pranic healing and
हाँ,
all, so I
वो
can't
भी
do
आ गया
anything.
है.
Graphology as a part of
I
curriculum.
remember now that I
Now
think
is
so.
problematic.
So me and Tara in bachelors, we went to this one DU college, very excited. हम लोगों ने workshop के लिए
We were in
register
first
किया था.
year of bachelors. अभी अभी आए हैं.
ठीक है, तब तो बच्चे थे. तब
और
तो
दूसरे
बच्चे.
नए colleges घूमने को मिल रहा है. Why not? हम
Yeah.
ऐसे गर्ल्स कॉलेज के
तो
थे
हम
दोनों.
लोगों ने वो ग्राफोलॉजी वाली वर्कशॉप अटेंड की. मस्त साइन हम एक दूसरे का देख रहे हैं,
और
इंटरप्रेट
उसके
कर रहे हैं.
अगले दिन जाके हमने अपने टीचर्स के साइन भी एनालाइज किए.
Yeah, and
ये होगा.
Nice.
तारा एंड आई वर लाइक, यार हम ग्राफोलॉजी को ना आगे एक्सटेंड करके हम कोर्स करेंगे, लाइक दिस, ये इंटरेस्टिंग है, एंड वी वर सीरियस अबाउट इट.
ठीक है, देखो तुम
तुम
बच्चे
कर
थे तो हो सकता.
अगेन
ऐसे-
हमें किसी ने बताया
हाँ,
कि ये नहीं करना
बचपन में
चाहिए.
ऐसी गलतियां हो सकती हैं.
ये
अब आप 40 की उम्र में भी ऐसी गलतियां कर रहे हो तो क्या कर सकते हैं?
अगर तुम
40
क्लिनिकल
बोल दिया यार.
साइकोलॉजिस्ट होके भी करोगे तो भी मैं जज करूंगी.
Exactly.
तो मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें हैं उसमें फिर.
But also to talk about this another aspect of
Hmm.
today's trends, competition. 100 लाने के बाद भी सीट नहीं है. MPhil में I
MPhil,
remember
oh
Tara and I
God.
both had so many breakdown. I remember one day I called Raksha, had like a 1.5 hour
Our
conversation. I kept like कि ये हो रहा है, and it is real experiences. I'm not going to go into details, but I just want to emphasize on the fact कि साइकोलॉजी में अचानक से बहुत सारे लोग साइकोलॉजी करना चाह रहे हैं
It's
without
a
knowing.
wave. It's a
without
wave.
knowing.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Without knowing कि exactly.
It's like cool कि
Yeah.
चलो साइकोलॉजी कर लेते हैं.
It's a
It's
fun
a-
degree to
हाँ,
have.
fun
It's a fun
degree
degree
to
to
very
have.
interesting.
मुझे बस बोलना है, आओ कभी हवेली पे.
तो
बताते
तुम्हें
हैं
अच्छा
आपको.
लगेगा.
बताते हैं आपको क्या होता है. सब यही है. बैठिए, चाय पे चर्चा करें जरा सा.
But I believe psychology is more seen as like, you know, ये तो कोई भी कर लेगा.
हाँ.
थोड़ा जरा आओ तो
बात
आओ.
थोड़ा करनी है. One of my friends he told me कि तुम लोगों ने कुछ नहीं किया. They are just everyday concepts है. तुमने बस उसको एक नाम दे दिया है और तुम उन नाम पे तुम वो करते
वो
हो.
तेरे दोस्त कैसे, पहले मुझे ये बता. How do you
And
call
second-
Yeah, एक second. Tell us about this friend.
हाँ, and also which concepts, because ऐसे तो सारी चीजें everyday concepts पे तो है.
Yeah, but they say
हाँ,
like
मतलब ये
he-
मैं फेंकूंगा तो गिर
जरा
जाएगा.
moratorium
Gravity.
पूछना उनसे.
इसमें क्या है?
वो exactly उसका
Moratorium पूछ के
उसका
आना क्या
यही
होता है?
point था. So this person told me कि these concepts exist in general also. ठीक है, लोग identity अपनी जैसे ढूंढ रहे हैं. ठीक है, so everybody knows कि adolescence में identity ढूंढ रहे हैं. तुम क्या कर रहे हो उसमें?
Everything is an everyday concept. It's about how you try to explain it to a
Yeah.
layman person who does not know about that concept. It's that simple.
वही
अब technically
Business,
yeah,
Consumer
लोग-
marketing.
demand supply.
Yes.
ऐसे
सस्ते
तो
में
देखो,
सस्ते में
so
सस्ते में
easy
खरीदो,
ऐसे-
महंगे
वो
में
net
बेच लो
बेच
बस.
दो, हो गया.
वो नेट के जो गंदे से क्वेश्चन आते हैं CPSC
नेट पे तो मेरे को स्टार्ट मत करो यार. नेट से घटिया एग्जाम नहीं
Such
देखा
a
मैंने आज
good
तक.
word, guys.
I swear. I mean, अभी तक मैंने नेट प्रॉपरली एक भी बार इसलिए नहीं दिया because I was like, इसका मुझे मिल क्या रहा है. मतलब I am not getting any great advantage out of it. Personally, मतलब मैं clinical वाली फील्ड में जाना चाहती हूँ. रिसर्च में उतना नहीं जाना.
And also it doesn't check your aptitude for being
Research
a
at all.
professor.
Professor,
You need to
researcher
know how
कुछ.
to teach and research. तुम बहुत ज्यादा you are expecting too much. from the
even the
system.
whole professor wala, the
Pedagogy.
appointment is you do your net and then it's 100% based on your interview. Like 100% of it is just on one interview. In paper 1 movies दी हुई हैं,
Hmm.
ठीक है, और उसके ऑर्डर लगाओ कि वो कौन से ईयर में आई है.
Wow.
Movies.
इससे भी घटिया वो क्वेश्चन इतने वेग बनाते हैं, आपको ये पता होना
पता
चाहिए
ही-
कि क्वेश्चनर ने
कोशिश
क्या
क्या
सोच के बनाया था ये क्वेश्चन.
एग्जाम्पल देना जरा, याद है कुछ?
अभी जो नेट पेपर कैंसिल हुआ था, मैं उसकी कॉपी भेज दूंगा तुम्हें. पहला क्वेश्चन जो था उसका पेपर 1 का, उसमें उन्होंने परसेंटेजेस दी हुई थी. इस पॉपुलेशन के इतने परसेंटेज को ये है, इस परसेंटेज को वो
क्वेश्चन
है,
सुन के ना वैसे
ठीक है.
कुछ
लेकिन उन्होंने परसेंट किसकी, टोटल पॉपुलेशन की या फिर जो जिन लोगों को डायबिटीज है उसकी परसेंटेज है, ये किस चीज की पॉपुलेशन है, वो आप गेस करो. दो तीन
That's
चीजें
your
हो
work
सकती-
to do.
हाँ, वो आप गेस करो कि क्वेश्चनर ने क्या आप सोच के क्वेश्चन बनाया
हमने तो
था.
देखो
और
मेहनत
आप
कर
सोचो,
ली।
मैंने आधा घंटा लगाया, मेरे को इतना गुस्सा आया था वो क्वेश्चन पढ़ के, मैं आधे घंटे में अब तो सॉल्व करूंगा इसको, ठीक है. आधा घंटा वेस्ट किया मैंने
आंसर
उसका.
राइट है कि नहीं वो भी नहीं पता चला
Answer-
तुमको आधे घंटे में.
आंसर राइट हो गया था मेरा, वो मैंने निकाल लिया था, लेकिन फिर पेपर कैंसिल हो गया.
But now, like, if we move this conversation, because we need to, about experiences of you both as a psychologist till now, we'll come on the men part since we have got you, तो इससे cover तो करेंगे, but
आई रिमेम्बर जब मैं साइकोलॉजी में डीयू में पहली बार आया था 2017 में, एक और लड़का था क्लास में, एंड मैं जाके बैठ गया, एंड वो मेरे को ऐसे पीछे, भाई यहाँ पे तो सारी लड़कियां ही लड़कियां हैं, वो डरा हुआ था. ही वाजंट हैप्पी,
He wasn't
डरा हुआ था.
excited about it. He was
wasn't-
scared.
he was- भाई ये तो लड़कियां ही हैं सारी, भाई कहाँ है सारे, पता नहीं भाई, मैं तो पहली बार आया हूँ. he left
He
orientation.
people do leave. In my college and masters, there
He
were
don't,
3.
he actually
He
left.
मतलब
Like he
उसने
dro-
एक पहला लेक्चर अटेंड किया एंड ही वेंट.
Why do you think that happens? And
Why
does
do they
it?
drop out?
Why do men drop out? And is it anything? Does it anything have to do with the space of like emotional health? Anyway, it is difficult. So, is there
Yeah.
any like correlation?
देखो in my
Between
experience,
correlation. अभी वो
correlation
समझाने लग जाएगा.
correlation
Is it
correlation कैसे, नहीं ये correlation नहीं
नहीं,
होता.
cause effect
causation
नहीं
होती
होता.
है ये.
Causation होता है.
ऐसे थोड़ी बोल सकते हो आप, correlation नहीं होता causation.
तुमको
इतनी
नहीं-
simple सी.
2
बात
मिनट की
करो, नया
फेम मिल
podcast
गई.
शुरू करेंगे.
2 मिनट की फेम के लिए तुम्हें मैंने मौका दिया, अब बोलिए.
हाँ जी. तो बेसिकली इट्स नॉट यूजुअली डाउन टू इमोशंस जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है. इट्स
Okay.
थोड़ा
यूजुअली
ऐसे
डाउन टू,
graphically बताओ ना.
देखिए तो मान लो आपके वाई एक्सिस पे है
Hmm.
नंबर ऑफ ड्रॉप आउट्स,
Hmm.
एंड आपके एक्स एक्सिस पे हैं एक और वेरिएबल, ठीक है, जो मेरे को पता नहीं है. मैं
ठीक
बिना
है,
ग्राफ्स
ठीक
के एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ.
हाँ,
इट्स यूजुअली डाउन टू इकोनॉमिक्स कि
Okay.
मैंने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया. आफ्टर योर मास्टर्स यू आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू अर्न क्वाइट अ लॉट
Hmm.
एज अ मैन स्पेशली.
Yeah.
वो जो एक सोशल रोल होता है कि आपको यू हैव टू बी द प्राइमरी ब्रेड विनर
Hmm.
of your family, and I don't think psychology offers that kind of stability
Hmm.
in terms of counseling या clinical वाली degree, ठीक है. So the men that I know who are in psychology right now, they either go for academics, teaching profession में चले जाते हैं because it's more stable and you get some amount of income, decent income, कुछ नहीं तो कुछ मिल ही जाता है, or they completely leave and go for an MBA.
Like, what would you say ki it, like how can we include more of
Men.
men?
Because
To-
we
and
don't
to en-
need.
to encourage more men to join psychology.
Join psychology, talk about themselves, and
And create an environment. जैसे अब जैसे you were mentioning, the guy left. I'm pretty sure कि first class थी, he wouldn't have interacted with.
Hmm.
But there are so many people जो interact करने के बाद उनको लगता है अरे यार मैं यहाँ नहीं survive कर सकता. So maybe they never found the environment where they were comfortable.
It's genuinely not something that you can do. अब वो जो बंदा था, depending on where he came from, it's more down to how we form relationships with the other gender. What kind of tuning do we have कि उनको देख के डर लगता है या फिर you want to talk to them. अब किसी ने कभी interact ही नहीं किया किसी लड़की से पूरी जिंदगी में, और एकदम से पूरी क्लास में आ गए and they're all women, ठीक है. It will be very scary and आपको नहीं पता होगा क्या करना है, तो इससे बढ़िया you'll go for something that's more comfortable.
Now, what do you have to say? But since you're already a part of the field for a long time, because see, again, like, sorry to hijack your questions, but it is also that there is a perspective that is spoken about. Okay, there is no economical concern is there, how much money we earn. let's face it, like service industry है, just like as doctors earn money, we should
Hmm.
also earn money, so that
Hmm.
I will
Should
take
तो
that.
बहुत सारे should होने चाहिए.
कहीं से तो कोशिश करेंगे. तो वो एक है. And you have, now you're on the other side.
Hmm.
You have a stable career, you are doing a lot of things, you have gone through it, and you're on the other side. How does it look from here? What would you want to like say probably to that guy who
देखो, genuinely
left.
speaking, I'm more of a survivor instead of somebody who's the average case इस मामले में कि I still won't tell a guy कि भाई आ जाओ यहाँ पे potentially है. It's more realistically speaking, it's average level पे you'll still struggle. ठीक है.
That's true.
So ठीक है, I have been lucky in this regard कि I have somewhat stable, लेकिन अभी भी
But it is also because वही ना कि you have upskilled, वो काम इतना ज्यादा किया, एफर्ट किया है. अब जैसे हम लोग भी हैं टेक्निकली, इफ आई टॉक वेरी रियलिस्टिकली, अब इफ कंपेयर टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर डूइंग साइकोलॉजी, कर तो वो भी रहे हैं, बट द वे, बिकॉज मुझे आदत आ रहा, और मैंने टीडीपी दैट इज साइकोलॉजी स्टार्ट ही इसी एंजाइटी और इस अनसर्टेनिटी की वजह से किया था कि यार मास्टर्स के बाद हाउ विल वी हैव क्लाइंट्स, और हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू वर्क, और हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू
Of course.
यूज आवर स्किल्स. सो दैट इज like I mean I think V4 अभी अब से 4 साल पहले हम लोग इतने इन्फ्लुएंशियल नहीं थे इस इंडस्ट्री में, बट वो हम इसलिए हो पाए बिकॉज हमने वो बहुत ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स डाले, नो मैटर सोशल मीडिया पे कितना दिखता हो, बट आई नो कि हम लोग एवरी डे ऑन कॉल्स, एवरी डे ऑन वर्किंग. सो आई बिलीव कि वो भी इट इज ऑल अ सर्वाइवल ओनली, इट इज ऑल स्टिल अ स्ट्रगल. मतलब हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुंच गए, बट दैट इज स्टिल अ स्ट्रगल फॉर अस.
Exactly, and अभी भी it's not stable for either of us. I'm pretty sure
Of course.
no one will say कि we're very stable. And the thing is, I also know बहुत सारे creators who put in a lot more effort into their content. बहुत ज़्यादा उनका बहुत valuable रहता है, but they do not get the traction that
Yes.
I feel
I
they should
agree.
deserve.
There is a disparity with followers equals to expertise, which is I
Not
want
true.
to break this,
Not
but it's
true.
not. I know
Exactly.
influencers जिनके बहुत followers हैं,
And
but in the
expertise
psychology
है.
community they are not respected
It's
enough.
all- yeah.
But how do you think like a content creation affect कर, like what message would you want to want to say realistically to students who watch these content on social media?
Take it with a pinch of salt.
Take it with a pinch of salt. Don't put anyone on a pedestal.
Yes.
Uh,
Approach multiple people
approach
for
multiple
one single
people.
information.
यार वो एक पेज है ना जो एक ही रील डालता है रोज,
Rose.
ठीक है,
Rose.
सेम रील एवरी डे एंड दे हैव
Hmm.
लाइक 40-50,000 फॉलोअर्स. इन सोशल मीडिया इज नॉट द रियल वर्ल्ड.
Exactly.
इतना जरूरी है, कोई अगर सोशल मीडिया पे है सक्सेसफुल, गुड फॉर देम,
Good.
दैट इज
And
congratulations.
there are so many psychologists who are so good.
Good.
And they're
Exactly.
not on social
Yeah.
media.
Yeah.
You'll never
Yes.
find them, and they're doing amazing work.
हमारे जो खुद के साइकोलॉजिस्ट की टीम है उसमें से 2-3 साइकोलॉजिस्ट दे आर नॉट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, बट दे हैव अ प्रैक्टिस से 7-8 साल की,
Exactly.
एंड हम लोगों ने उनसे खुद बकायदा लाइक सुपरविजन वगैरह लिए, एंड दे नो वेल, लाइक दे टीच अस. मुझे पता है कि हम लोग इस सेशन में होते हैं, आई एम स्टक एंड दे से समथिंग, आई एम लाइक ओ शिट, ऐसे तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था वाली
Exactly.
चीज, बिकॉज आई वाज राइटिंग दिस पीस फॉर लिंक्डइन. मैं 2-3 दिन से कोशिश तो कर रही हूँ उसे कंप्लीट करने की, बट वो हो नहीं रहा है. बट आई वाज रीडिंग and I realized कि people automatically assume that we are going to listen and be empathetic all the time, which I believe personally when I have also interacted and went out, I also got this thing कि you are supposed to do it. नहीं, I do
That's
it
a
in
part of your job. You don't know it.
yeah. So I mean, share about some interesting incidents, like just straight to
Yeah,
the point.
let's just get into this one.
बहुत funny incident है, ठीक है, without naming the person, of course. But okay, so again, like how you share on websites, right? Like on apps, that okay, what kind of books do you read and all of those things. So बातें हो जाती है, वो fictional books, non-fictional books. So if you know, there is a very famous book called Attached. The cover of it is of magnets, and it talks
Yeah,
about
I haven't
attachments.
read the book, but I've seen it.
Yeah, so it basically talks about attachment styles and human relationships in general and attachment in general, not just romantic के हिसाब से. And जैसे तुमने बोला ना, the empathetic listening. So this guy that I was talking to ends up saying that, oh, so what is your attachment style? And I'm just like, sorry, bye.
Bye.
Because
Okay.
I'm
You know,
like, it's that,
Hmm.
like the psychologist and dating. I don't want to
So,
talk about my
I'll
attachment
tell
style.
you. So I know कि like ऐसे dating apps and all पे you cannot expect people to be very available in terms of emotions, commitment or whatever because they're dating apps at the end.
Yeah.
Like for me, जितना भी I have tried and everything, I've always realized he time waste. But I remember talking with someone that the person knew about transactional analysis and games people play जो
हाँ.
हमारे ऊपर थे. I was like, how do you know this stuff? And that honestly helped me becoming connected to the person. कि ठीक है,
That's
the
great.
person knows. ठीक है. But at the same time, at least thousands, can you read my mind comes in. Oh, are
Oh.
you? Yesterday only I was talking to this person, and the person, and first time I was talking, and the person was like, so you must be judging and analyzing whatever I'm saying. So like he was like, should I say this? Should I not say this? I was like, be chill. My mind is not open right now कि इतना ज़्यादा मैं देखूंगी. But I also feel personally मेरा वो unconscious वाला aspect भी आ जाता है.
कौन सा?
Of यही कि analysis वाला मतलब because इतना prone
ठीक
होता
है
है ना.
वो फिर भी चल सकता है बट आई फील कि ना जब ये वाला आ जाता है ना कि you're bound to do this because you are a psychologist then it gets problematic like
What about you? You're very awfully quiet.
He has dating ज्ञान as a highlight. Highlight है देखो highlight में है which means you talk about it.
हाँ
I'm
तो मैंने इस साल के वैलेंटाइंस वीक पर 7 दिन का ज्ञान दिया था डेटिंग पे.
हाँ
That was it.
So ना हमारी
these are the stories I was talking
yeah.
Oh, these are the ones.
हाँ. हाँ तो बस
Shit.
दो
अ,
unfiltered, authentic, unique.
देखो मैं तो
You
ऐसे
can't get cancelled. I'm just letting you know. Just take a
अरे
breath.
भाई इतनी कुछ डेट्स पे नहीं इतनी कोई डेट्स पे नहीं जाता मैं कि इतना ज्ञान हो मेरे पास.
इतना
We
ज्ञान
wouldn't-
enough to have
But
a
we never
highlight
spoke about dates. None of us
हाँ.
mentioned.
Yeah.
देखो
चोर की दाढ़ी में चलता. इनकी तो दाढ़ी भी है.
when it comes to dating,
Hmm.
the main thing
Hmm.
is that you don't hurt anybody.
Yeah.
एक deep बात कर दी.
है ना? अब वो साइकोलॉजिस्ट हो ना हो.
ये तुम
कितना जेनरिक आंसर देके अर्जुन गॉट आउट ऑफ द होल कन्वर्सेशन कि मेरे को इससे ज्यादा बात ना करनी पड़े इस टॉपिक के बारे
I
में.
don't know if this is वो क्या बोलते हैं जनहित में जारी
Yeah.
वाला टैगलाइन है कि ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ है कि you can make interpretation.
Yeah. Don't.
But
क्या?
कुछ नहीं. I think ये थोड़ा inside joke type रह गया है.
but
मैं तो समझ गई.
हाँ समझ. But I feel we are very interesting, yeah,
हाँ.
to date.
या हम तो हैं. बाकी अपना सब देख लो.
Which is
Okay, so tell
between-
me दोनों दो एडवांटेजेस और दो डिसएडवांटेजेस.
Of?
ऐसे 5 mark क्वेश्चन है of dating a psychologist.
तो
Advantage ये है, and I don't know if this is like psychology वाला advantage or me, but I can just, if it's not working
What
out, I can just snap out. Like,
हाँ.
ठीक है, not working out, bye. I'll not hang around for long because I want to protect my mental
I think
peace.
it's more
I
of you
would,
then.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
more of me then.
हाँ, it's
No,
not a
But eventually, also, I feel we are very self-aware. We know,
Yeah.
हाँ, that's
we
true.
know some things.
एक्शन हो रहे हैं या नहीं हो रहे
अरे
हैं वो
we
अलग
are-
बात है बट
हाँ.
we would know.
हाँ, like some things, like if it's not working, then
मैं पर्सनली
I'll
अगर
leave
अपना बताऊं तो मेरे साथ एक ये चीज होती है बिकॉज आई एम अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट समटाइम्स आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्विच. इट्स लाइक इफ समवन डज रॉन्ग टू मी और शुड लाइक समथिंग दैट शुड नॉट हैव बीन डन I would defend them in my own
Own
mind
head.
because I'm
Yeah.
like ठीक है
अच्छा
this
ये
was the
हुआ
reason.
होगा.
Even though it's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
something
ouch.
it's not something which I'm doing justice to my mental health or I'm like होता ना कि एक दो बार I let it go.
Always trying to understand the other's
Other's
perspective.
But इसके
That
चक्कर
is
में
a
तो
So bound
disadvantage.
to do that in general कि
Hmm.
वो inculcate हो जाता है कि ठीक है तुम्हें तो समझना ही है.
Yeah, that could be a
इस चक्कर में but
disadvantage.
बहुत बैंड बजती है नहीं करना चाहिए.
fair enough.
तुम्हें अपने मतलब एम्पैथी रखो सामने
थोड़ी
वाले के लिए
सी.
पर उतनी ही
हाँ.
रखो जितना सामने वाला तुम्हारे लिए
हाँ,
एम्पैथी रख रहा है.
थोड़ी सी रखनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
इज्जत रखो यार. खुद की.
Okay, one con.
अभी तुमने तो कहा
नहीं आप बताओ
मैंने
ना तो
answer
चेतना ने
दिया.
बोला.
भी इसको बोलो यार, मैंने एक एडवांटेज बोल दिया.
Con of dating a psychologist.
Tell me a
Uh,
con of dating, like you being a psychologist, dating a psychologist.
मुझे लगा बोल रही है टेल मी अ कॉन ऑफ डेटिंग यू एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट.
वो तो इतने सारे हैं, मैं कहाँ शुरू करूँ?
नहीं, tell me a con of you being a psychologist and
Yeah, I
dating
don't
a,
really.
like hypothetical.
देखो, I've been single for 2 years, so I can't really say anything. But I have met psychologists, unfortunately, who are analyzing all the time. They are, matlab, that is a stereotype, but I also have met
Have-
people who live that stereotype out.
That's
They
why
are-
it's called a stereotype. There's a pinch of
Hypothetically,
reality.
I would have to date a psychologist. I wouldn't like.
No?
हाँ,
I think कि वो too much analysis हो जाएगा हर चीज़।
If
I'll
they-
rather
if they
date a
can't-
psychiatrist because referral आएगा. मैं
ये
business
देखो,
वाह,
look at
economics.
her, ये देखो.
economics.
But yeah, matlab,
Yeah, we have to
Personal
protect
opinion.
ourselves.
Personal opinion.
Personal
मतलब-
I
opinion.
wouldn't.
yeah, I've met people like that who are very analytical.
But every
the point.
person is different. Like you never know. But like what I have in my head is
But
कि
why though?
I feel कि I feel I am surrounded by psychology people.
Yeah.
हमेशा. All my friends, bachelor's, masters,
Hmm.
MPhil, everybody is a psychologist. My best friend is a psychologist. तो वो अलग space ना नहीं
Echo
मिलता।
chamber बन जाता है एक
हाँ,
chamber.
तो वही
It's the same
repetitive,
thing.
वही मतलब
मैं भी चाहती हूँ सर मैं लॉयर के
हाँ
कैसे
मतलब तुम
केसेस
डेट
देखूं कि
तुम डेट पे बैठ के आरसीआई डिस्कशन नहीं करना चाहते
Yeah.
बिल्कुल.
मतलब मे बी दैट
नहीं, फिर तो you both need a life then. But if you are
That
but
is
eventually आ जाएगा that will come up eventually trust
but-
me
अरे मतलब तुम्हारे मतलब
but trust me वो आ जाएगा
Emotional damage कर दिया.
Emotional damage.
no, I was dating. I was in a relationship with a psychologist and ऐसे नहीं हूँ.
good मैंने ये बोला ना कि अलग अलग like there are different people
But was. So
proving the point.
but
Yeah, we'll
wrap
wrap it
this
up.
episode
We have like a nice
fun question for you we'll wrapping it up
oh yes.
So you have to create dating profiles of these psychologists.
Okay.
ठीक है buzzer this is the buzzer.
this is the buzzer.
This is the buzzer. Sorry हमारा इतना ही investment है. So you have to give like a Bumble or Hinge dating profile, whatever.
Hinge
Like
पे तो
a-
questions होते हैं यार, इतने सारे questions.
ठीक है, one liners
दर्द हो
चाहिए
जाएगा
ना
किसी को भी.
basically.
हाँ, one line
हाँ
is
मतलब
होना.
like tagline of the
Okay.
dating
ठीक है.
profile bio
ठीक है.
ठीक है. First is Abraham Maslow.
I have such a bad one.
Just say it.
I have a very bad
Don't
one.
tell. Yes.
Will you be my basic need?
Oh, yeah, that's
Basically,
good.
Okay. I was more of कि यार
No.
कोई belongingness
Belongingness.
बोलेगा, but यहाँ पे तो
but नहीं hierarchy
No, basic need है. Basic.
yeah.
हम हाँ.
बाद में बताऊंगा अपने वाले को.
नहीं,
Off
नहीं.
camera. नहीं, that
नहीं,
will be off
we'll
camera.
cut
नहीं
it.
यार.
That
अरे,
has
but we'll
to be off
promise
camera.
we'll cut
That
it.
has to
We'll-
be off
no,
camera.
No, no.
No.
Acha, we'll
We'll cut it.
mute
That-
it. We'll just have it
Just
for the
say it.
clip. You said it. We'll laugh and
And
we'll
done.
mute it.
Are
Take a breath. Box breathing करो.
are you my pyramid? Because I just want to get on top.
Love it.
I see how I'm gonna let Diya cut it.
Diya, please. cut
दिया
it.
प्लीज दिया हमारे पास मुझे मैं हंसी हूँ मुझे क्लाइंट्स चाहिए आई एम सॉरी प्लीज
Okay.
काट देना
Okay, next is Albert Bandura. Say.
Are you the Bobo doll? Because I did that.
I heard it. I'll tell you. They're busy laughing. Are you the boo doll? Because I wanna punish you.
Because नहीं, मैंने ये नहीं.
ये नहीं बोला था
मैंने ये नहीं बोला.
on this oh god I need tissues
अरे यार इनको एक्चुअल में तो डालना होगा कुछ उसके लिए कुछ सीरियस वाली भी दो.
no मैं तो बोला I want to punch you
I want to. I want.
कौन सा टीवी देख?
I don't know why
दर्द हो गया
that's the first thing that came to my mind are you the Bobo doll because I want to punch you
Who hurt you? Who hurt you?
oh god
But seriously speaking,
रुला दिया
seriously
मुझे.
speaking, on a dating profile, I can see Albert Bandura saying something like, I want to put you in a lab and just look at you all day.
Yeah.
Observation.
Yeah, actually ये वाला जाएगा, ठीक है?
ये वाला डाल देना.
सारा कुछ काट के ये वाला डाल देना बस.
मुझे रोना आ रहा है
मैं edit
गाइस, मुझे
करवाऊंगी,
रुलाया
मैं
गया
देखती
है.
ये अच्छा एडिट होगा ये वाला.
मैं edit करवाऊंगी, मैं देखती हूँ.
अगर
क्या
इसकी
करेगा,
रील
क्या
वायरल
नहीं.
नहीं हुई ना, मैं बहुत डिसअपॉइंट
इसका आंसू
होंगी.
मेरे पे गिर गया.
Okay, next. Erik Erikson.
Erik Erikson.
फ्रॉइड इसलिए नहीं बोल रही है,
मुझे
फ्रॉइड पे बहुत
फ्रॉइड है
फ्रेम
Yes.
करना है, बट
Yeah.
फ्रेम सोच रही, तू रुक जा, मैं
हाँ,
बोल
तो
रही
बोल
हूँ.
तो बोल.
उसमें वो डाल देंगे few moments later.
Later.
टक 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 टक.
2,000 years later.
दिया को सोचने दो ना यार सारा.
You can also give suggestions from the audience.
ऑडियंस पोल. फोन ऑफ फ्रेंड कर सकते हैं इसमें.
Together we can discuss about intimacy versus isolation.
Nice.
Nice.
Cute.
Cute तो नहीं है, देखो.
नहीं मेरा ये सेफ.
Next.
Okay.
हम थोड़ा सेफ जा रहे हैं.
ठीक है. Karen Horney.
होना ही होता है.
यार मैं तो
होना ही
Horney
होता है.
बोलती हूँ.
होना ही होता है.
होना है, it's Karen होना है.
ये मत कर देना.
ये तो कट कर
नहीं नहीं,
इसकी
बिल्कुल
वजह
नहीं,
से.
बिल्कुल
देखो,
हमारी
देखो,
बेइज्जती चल
let's-
रही है बस.
लेट्स कम टू अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज. ठीक है, मेरा वाला कट होगा,
नहीं नहीं.
ये वाला भी कट होगा.
I'll tell you.
ठीक है.
For my whole life मैं तो Karen Horney ही बोल रही हूँ
It's
उसको.
होना है, होना है,
होना है.
होना है.
ठीक है, देखो तुम्हारा भी
दोनों
कट हो
कट
जाएगा,
नहीं होगा.
तुम्हारा भी कट हो
दोनों
जाएगा,
दिया,
मेरा भी कट हो
दोनों
जाएगा.
कट नहीं होगा. एटलीस्ट हमको दे देना यार क्लिप्स पर्सनल.
दिया, तुम्हारा कॉलेज पता है मुझे, ठीक है? तुम्हारे टीचर्स को भी जानता हूँ मैं.
धमकी जा रहा है
वो-
गाइस,
वो
दिया
मेरे-
को प्रोटेक्शन देना चाहिए.
Yeah, Karen Horney.
वो कह रही है यही पिकअप लाइन है.
वाह,
Yeah. वाह.
हो गया ना?
Cancer है.
कारण होना है, ठीक है.
हो गया. नहीं मुझे नहीं रहना.
यार दो ना यार, ये क्या है, अनफिल्टर्ड तो हो नहीं रहा, मैं नहीं खेल रही.
तुम भी खेलो ना फिर.
तुम भी बोलो,
हाँ,
तुम्हारा भी
तुम
गेम
भी
है.
बोलो.
तो मैंने तो गलत बोल के कर दिया ना.
कारण होना
होना का
मतलब ऐसे कुछ
है.
वुमेन भी था ना उसमें
हाँ.
कुछ.
वुमेन वाला.
वुमेन भी वाला था ना.
नो,
Something
I
around
can't
that.
छोड़ो
think of-
यार.
I can't think of this. Next. अच्छी नहीं लगी मुझे.
Oh, don't cry, are you?
Carl Jung.
Together let's remove our masks.
this
कोविड एरा में अच्छा चलता.
Let's pursue
नहीं,
our
but this
shadow
is
selves.
actually this
यार
was
दिल्ली
actually
में. यार
non creepy.
इधर हाँ.
together let's
remove
remove
our
our
masks.
masks.
Yeah. दिल्ली में खांसना पड़ता.
और वो तो
but
फिर
ठीक
चिल्लम
है.
भी ऑफर करता. बहुत बहुत फूंक
See,
था.
मुझे लगता है
जोक
इसलिए
शॉट
भी-
अच्छा लगता है.
इसलिए
जो
भी-
खींचना नहीं चाहिए.
अरे
हो
अरे
गया.
वो बहुत बहुत
क्यूट
फूंकता
था ना.
बहुत.
तुझे हर चीज में फुटेज चाहिए.
मैं वो कह रही हूँ ना, I think this is can be one of the reasons of less men in the field of science.
Boom.
चलो.
ट्रेलर
think-
मिल गया तुमको.
I think with this,
हाँ,
let's
we'll
end it.
wrap
If you
this.
have any impromptu questions for us, we are open to it. ये हम ऐसे ऐड कर देते हैं.
मेरी यहाँ पे 90 मिनट के लिए बुलिंग करी गई. I would like to report this
No, we have a bribe
this
for
arrangement.
Yeah, we have a bribe
you. That
for you.
after bullying
That's
we
such a lie.
bribing you.
Yeah.
मुझे
You've
बहुत
had
बुली
an
गया.
awesome time with us.
हाँ वो तो है, लेकिन मेरे को बुली भी किया गया, तो I
तो
would
bully में awesome.
I
Alright,
felt
it's a
bullied.
part.
I felt bullied. ठीक है.
All right, with this, I think
We'll
we'll wrap up because I think we can go on and on about a lot of things. But I think this was a very fun and natural episode where we enjoyed talking and it's just
For once I forgot ki it's a podcast. I was just
Yeah.
talking to all three of you.
I think that's the point.
And before we go, we have
Yeah.
cute
Coffee
little hampers
Coffee hamper.
for both of you.
Thank you.
इतनी
I
मुश्किल
would.
से.
Thank you for inviting. Thank you for inviting.
She's
I
come
had
all
a
the way
lot-
from Mumbai.
Yeah. Our cute
Special
heart.
guest.
Yeah, I don't do it for a lot of people. So
Means a
Ah,
lot.
I
Yes.
know.
What? Okay, so with this, I think we'll wrap up this episode of our podcast.
And keep following us on Spotify, YouTube, IG, and you can also follow these two
Yes.
on Instagram and other platforms. And we'll see you in the next episode, everyone. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
यार वो वाली लाइन नहीं बोली जो बिना पॉडकास्ट के यू वर टेलिंग अस कि माय फ्यूचर ब्लैक वाली.
हाँ, वो inner my kurta is representing my outer and inner world because it's dark. But at the same time, hopefully not my future. After this podcast.